Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. I'm so glad you're back watching along with me today. This is a rainbow straight pour that turned out absolutely beautiful. So this is a remastered piece. This is back from probably the very first few months when I started. This is my very first straight pour that turned out absolutely beautifully. I will list all of the colors down in the description, and I will link the full video at the very end of this video if you would like to go and see the entire thing. And like I said, it's the first few months, so my camera angles aren't all that great. I've definitely learned a whole lot about editing. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell and the thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. So this piece is a very special little piece. It hangs in my son's bedroom. He is a openly gay 17-year-old who I love to death. And when I created this piece, he immediately fell in love with it. So automatically it went to him, and I love that I have it in my home and can see it every day when I, pop in to say hi and bug him like all annoying moms do with their teenage sons. Today is my very first day back from my vacation to Bermuda. I went on a cruise, and I'm wondering, would you like to see a little 3-minute video of some of the things that we did? Let me know down in the comments, as well as let me know what you think of this piece. I would truly appreciate it. And if you don't want to see the vacation, that's totally fine as well. And so here is the beautiful close-up. I learned with this piece that adding white in between each of the layers of color, and only a little bit of white, if you notice when I layer my cup, I do a lot less white in between each color, really helps to separate those colors out. And with this rainbow piece, it just turned out absolutely beautifully. Love, love, love. Like I said, I'm so happy that I can have this piece in my house. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!